Russia deployed fighter jets after a U.S. spy plane was spotted over the Black Sea. This comes just 2 weeks after a major international incident when a Russian warplane reportedly dropped bombs on the route of British destroyer HMS Defender off the coast of Crimea. So-called warning shots were also fired from an FSB coastal patrol vessel. In the latest incident, Russia claims 2 Su-30 fighters prevented a Boeing P-8 Poseidon anti-submarine patrol aircraft of the U.S. Navy from entering its airspace. A video was released showing the aerial standoff, but the precise location was not divulged. On the evening of July 6, Russian airspace control devices over the neutral waters of the Black Sea detected an air target approaching the state border of the Russian Federation, said the Defense Ministry in Moscow on Wednesday. 2 Su-30s were dispatched to identify the aircraft and prevent it from entering Russian airspace, according to the Russians. The crews of Russian fighters identified the air target as a Boeing P-8 Poseidon and escorted it over the Black Sea. The flight of Russian aircraft was carried out in strict accordance with international rules for the use of airspace. Violation of the state border of the Russian Federation was not allowed. There was no immediate comment from the U.S. and no direct evidence that the plane had sought to encroach Russian airspace. The Royal Navy insisted that its warship was in international or Ukrainian waters off Crimea, annexed by Vladimir Putin from Ukraine in 2014. A Russian Coast Guard boat barked change your course or I'll fire at the massive Brit warship. The Russian vessel opened fire twice, once at 12:06 p.m. and again at 12:08 p.m. before the planes were ordered in. Defense correspondent for the BBC, Jonathan Beale, was on board the HMS Defender when the shots were fired. "We did hear some firing in the distance, but they were believed to be well out of range," he wrote. Britain has vowed to continue using the route on future missions, provoking fury in Moscow. Thanks for tuning in and watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to get latest updates as it happens.